Soundboard test? Is there a soundboard on here? The heck? You guys hear that? Whoa! What the heck? What are these sound? There's so many. My mood right now. Do you guys hear that? What the heck is that? That soundboard is so... What? Ooh. Wait, that's crazy. I should do this more often. That's crazy. But here's my number. So call me maybe. Mic peak? Oh, they're having it? Guys. Guys. I can't. Oh, did I clip? I mean, it's so funny. I need to listen back. Wait, can you guys clip it and send it to me? I'm too lazy to look at the VOD. Sorry, I'm not a VOD Andy right now. Anyways, thanks guys. Thanks for the space. Sorry I haven't streamed for a bit. I was playing Marvel Rivals comp and then did some background work, played some Marvel Rivals comp, did some background work, played some Marvel Rivals comp, did some background work, and now I'm almost done setting up my desk. So, thumbs up emoji. All right, thanks guys. Where is it? Where's the sound? Where's the sound? Oh! Where's the oh, there we go. What? That's not the one. Where's the oh? Oh, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Goodbye. All right. End space.